You can order the rear turn signal light bulb used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off, set the parking brake, and pull on the trunk release lever. To access the tail light bulb located in the bodywork, unscrew the plastic rivet that holds the trunk carpet using a Phillips screwdriver, and then remove it with a flathead screwdriver. Then shift the trunk carpet. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers and cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. To remove the turn signal bulb socket from the taillight housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Simply pull the bulb out to remove it. You can order the rear turn signal light bulb used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb, put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Put the trunk carpet back in place. Put the rivet back in place. Operation complete.